the venue. Look
Tell
how
me this doesn't look shady as fuck. I mean, look at this parking lot. It's like a mess. It's deserted. There's like a auto junkyard behind it. This is like ridiculous.
and they have a porta potty for a bathroom.
Yeah, they have a pair. We'll show you. We'll drive around to get the grand tour of the Starland Ballroom. They have a really nice display sign.
Look at their nice sign.
Sign, and then look at the rest of it. It's like look at this parking lot. This is like so freaking. That's the bathroom. That's the bathroom in this place. This is so fucking shady. Oh my god. I'm surprised that the guys
Picked this place.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, maybe it's nicer on the inside.
I hope so.
There's probably the back door where you can put around. I mean, look at this place. This is like. Oh, that's the entrance for artists. Looks like. I mean, this looks totally fucking shady. This is like so creepy looking. But anyway, so there's no one here yet. This is the thing. So we're all technically the first ones here, but we can't stay yet because they're gonna like our tickets and shit. They're tables like that. So we're going to go to some tourism. Lovely Sayreville and see what it has to offer. Which, I don't know about you, but my hopes aren't high. But yeah, so we have officially made it.